Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails before or after a certain date with search criteria in Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you need to clean up your inbox and remove old emails in bulk, helping you maintain an organized mailbox without manually sorting through thousands of messages. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure everything has fully loaded before proceeding, as this ensures Outlook has indexed all your messages properly. You might need to wait a moment if you have a large mailbox, so give it some time to sync completely. Once your emails have been loaded, we can begin the deletion process. To delete all emails before or after a certain date with search criteria in Outlook, start by navigating to your Search tab located at the top of your screen where your tools and menus are located. This Search tab is your gateway to Outlook's powerful filtering capabilities, allowing you to narrow down emails based on specific parameters. From here, click on the All Mailboxes option and your search bar will expand. This expanded search bar gives you access to more advanced search features. Once expanded, click on the drop-down arrow and a search criteria window will appear. This window is where you'll define the exact parameters for which emails you want to target. Now look for the Received field within the search criteria window. This field lets you filter emails based on when they were received in your inbox. Click on the drop-down menu next to Received and set the interval from days, weeks, months, or years, depending on how far back you want to search. For example, if you want to delete all emails received before a certain date, you would set your interval accordingly. After setting your time interval, click on Search. Outlook will now index all emails from oldest to most recent based on your criteria. This might take a few seconds depending on how many emails match your search parameters, so be patient while Outlook processes this information. Once the results appear, you'll see all emails that match your date criteria. Now comes the selection part. Simply highlight the results by holding your Shift key and browsing through each date. This allows you to select multiple emails at once rather than clicking each one individually, which would be incredibly time-consuming. After you've highlighted all the emails you want to delete, right-click on your selection. A context window will appear with several options. Simply choose Delete to remove emails with certain date selections. Outlook will move these emails to your deleted items folder, and you can permanently delete them from there if needed. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your Outlook inbox by deleting emails based on specific date criteria. This method saves you hours of manual sorting and keeps your mailbox manageable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.